What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell. Now, I got two boxes here. So I don't know, honestly, what shoe is in what. So I guess we're about to be like surprised together. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to open up the first box, the closest box to me. Look, okay. Oh, I know what it is. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right. Yes. 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 I've been waiting for these, dog. Woo! All right. Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, pine green, silver, and white. Remember that? Can you read it? Is it clear to you? Thumbnail. All right. This is my second unboxing today. It's number 2. I got one more, and we dropping 3 videos today, man. Like I said in the last video, we're dropping 3 videos today. They're all getting edited. Everything. I'm not playing. Sheesh. Boy, I tell you. That pine green 3. Now, I'm from the good old Pacific Northwest, Washington, where the Seattle Supersonics used to reside, and that green and gold around that Jordan Jumpman says Sonics all over it. I know some people were like, oh, Celtic colorway. Like, nah, dog. This is a Sonics colorway, bro. Alright? Sonics colorway, bro. Jordan did this just exclusively for me, dog. Feel me? Cut it with that Celtic talk. We got a very short-haired suede. Decent quality. I say decent, not anything extravagant, because we got something weird going on right here. It's almost like a scrape, or I don't know what's going on. But it doesn't matter to me because this shoe is fire. As you look around the shoe in the back, you got a matte black tab with like a silver Jumpman. It looks like the Jumpman is silver. These are so clean. Even up here, this green right here, it's not leather. It's like a suede or a nubuck. I don't know. Because I don't know the difference. But I know that these shoes are wet. Super wet. Super fire. You know, I love my Jordan 3s. Super happy to get these in hand. Let's look at this other shoe, though. In frame. The first shoe comes out cool. We say it's like a B, A minus, B, just because of that toe box. Like, what the hell is that? What is that? It's like somebody wore the shoe, and then somebody stepped on their shoe. That's low-key what it looks like, but obviously this came from the Nike factory, so that's not it. This other shoe looks a little bit cleaner. I'm not seeing no flaws on this shoe. God, these are clean, bro. 100% though, Sonics colorway. Look at that. Look at the Jumpman. You look at that Jumpman, and that does not say Celtics to you. Maybe if it was like white around the Jumpman, then it would say Celtics. That right there says Sonics all over it. All right. The debate's over. Let me get nice and close for you. Give you a nice close up. For those still debating, do they want this shoe? This is the close up you want right here. Get a tap. Camera's picking it up beautifully too. I must say. Yes, sir. Tell me what you guys think. Comment below. Did you guys pick up on these? Did you pass? How could you pass on these? A suede black pair. I mean, if this was red, you guys would be all over this. I feel like people. I say you guys, but I feel like people in general. If this was like the black cements and they were suede, people would, oh, shoe of the year. Shoe of the year. These are fire. Look at I mean, look how clean the cement. These are fire. What you guys think, man? Comment down below. Are you guys tapped in with me? Have you guys been subscribing? Hit that subscribe button. I'm continuously dropping heat on the weekly at least. I'm dropping 3 for you today. 3 videos today. It's the last little go around, man. I got another shoe to unbox. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you stay tapped in. That's all I got to say, man. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.